welcome to another class today. So today we are looking at styles in Microsoft Excel. So briefly we are going to look at conditional formatting within the styles, then we'll take a look at format as table, then we move forward to cell style. So these are the subtopics we are going to look at right now. So let's take a practical look at them. Now this is our data set. You will see the styles here. You see this place, you see styles. The name of the group is styles. Now we have conditional formatting here. So what is the meaning of formatting? You are trying to paint or just color certain segment or range based on a particular condition. You can say, okay, the first 10 or the first 5 highest 5, or you can call it the first or the top 5. You want to paint it red. So let's look at it now. So let's format now. So the first thing I will do is to select. Make sure you select the range of cells or column you want to make use of. So I go to, let's look at top. So we have different conditions here. We have different conditions here. It might be greater than, less than, anything between or stuff. But let me take a look at top. So if you come to top, let me just say the first 5 because I have 10 rows, so I can't use the 10. I mean, I can't just say the first 10 because it's going to definitely paint all the 10. So I will just I'll narrow it down to 5. So if you say the top 5, so it's going to take a look at it, and it's going to paint it to red. So you have the other colors here. So if you need other colors that they are not listed here, you can click custom format. So custom format will take you to, let me just click it, so it will take you to a color tab. If you click OK right now, it's going to take you to a color tab. So you go to the field, you can select any color of your choice. Let's take a look at the dark red. The dark red, it's filled right now, so I click OK, so it's already filled now. So I can come here also, I do the same thing. Maybe that's okay, the first, let me just see, I've selected it, so I can say okay, the first, let's say 3. You can type it here manually, or you can use the up or arrow button. So for first 3, so that is that. So you can see that is it. You can click OK. You can fill it with, let's say green, yellow. Those colors mean a lot. Like red means danger or something that is poorly performed. Then yellow is warning in between danger and success. Then the other one green. So that's why they are listed there. So you can see I filled it in green. So if you don't need this rule, I have first a rule, conditional rule. That conditional constraint is rules I've enforced on it. So I can also do other things I want to do. So if I don't need those rules to be enforced, I can say clear rules from selected cells. So it's clearing everything now. So I can clear it. So I go here, go to clear rules. I've cleared it from selected stuff, from selected column. Okay, now let me show you other stuff. I've selected those, so I can say okay, anyone greater than 50, or let me just say greater than 60. So it's you can see right now it's already I'm enforcing it there. So you can use any conditional use at all. Now that is that. So we are going to proceed, and let's take a look at others. We have so many other stuff here. Now I will select this place. Let me just select this entire place again. Let me enforce all the rules there. We have this one, data bar. So it's going to take a look holistically at your data set, and then it will measure it. It's going to give a kind of bar measurements, just like a battery, phone battery stuff. And you can see it here. You can see the higher the bar, the higher the number. Then like that, you can check it on your own. Then you also have this one. If you want to use this one, fine. Of course, red is poorly performed, as I've said before, like that. So you can also use icon set. There are different icon. It can be traffic light icon. It can be something like signal kind of icon. It can be ratings kind of icon there. You can see that. So these are formatting of different kinds and based on conditions. Okay, so you can use this indicator too, like that. You can see now it's going to look at your data set holistically, and then trying to discover a pattern that can summarize what your data is trying to pass across or trying to sense across. Then with that pattern, it could say okay, this one has performed poorly, this one has performed successfully, like that. Okay, now that is for conditional formatting. Let's quickly move to the next one, which is format as table. Now this worksheet technically it's not a table, it's not really, no, it's a worksheet. But if you want to convert it to table, I want you to format it as table, you can come to this place, you color it as table. So it's going to make the, first of all, it's going to ask you the range, the coverage, where do you want the effect to be felt on, or the effect to be implemented on. So it's showing here right now that A1, forget about the dollar for now, A1 column D11. That means between A1, which is A1, and D11. You can redefine it here if you want the scope to be minimum or to be smaller than what is defined here. Okay, so if you click OK now, you see that it's formatted already. So if you check now, you see it's formatted. So I can change the color, I can choose any color of my choice now. So I can take this one, I can take any of these medium colors, medium color. Then these are thick, dark colors. You understand? So you can take anyone there. Okay. Now the next one, let me quickly move to the next one. So the next one is cell style. Now there are different, styles. For instance, I have total here. I can say to it total is bold. Total is always bold because we are interested in, sometimes we are always interested in aggregate value. So I want to summarize this thing and find the sum of it. For instance, I go to sum, I sum it, for instance. So I want this sum to be bold, to convey a message of aggregate or total or grand total, for instance. So I can use cell style here. You can see something like that depicts total symbol or total format. The format for total, most times the the underlined line is to be double. So you click. So most times total is usually conveyed with this kind of format. So you see double underline there. So now let's look at other ones. Then there are different colors. Of course, I told you that green, light green, and indicates something's good. Then red indicate bad. Then neutral is, if you look at traffic light, you take a look at that, you know that okay, yeah, it actually true. So you also have stuff like this explanatory. If you want to just write a short note by something to explain about a particular data set file. So this is title, this is heading, this color, this thick color is heading 1, that is the biggest heading. So this is cell style. So this is all about styling, styles. I've talked about conditional formatting, and the next one is format as table. Then the next one is cell style. This can be used to convey different message about your data set or what is actually happening in your data set. So thank you very much for staying tuned to the end of this class. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.